Welcome everyone. In this video, we'll talk about CISM certification and whether it is worth it and how it can upgrade your career. Also, we'll cover how INSEC will help you through this entire journey with our mentors and zero upfront cost pay after passing model. So let's see what we will cover in this presentation. First is that how important cybersecurity industry is becoming globally as well as in India, followed by the security leadership gap that India faces and how this creates a demand for jobs related to cybersecurity, followed by what is CISM, who should pursue CISM, job roles that CISM unlocks, industries hiring CISM, also the salary benchmarks as well as the career path. Also, we'll compare CISM with the people who do not hold the same certification, including the earning gap and the promotion speed difference. Then we'll talk about some of the common myths about CISM as well as the difficulty level and how it is for different types of professionals, including technical as well as non-technical. Then we will see how INSEAD will help you through this entire process. So let's start. Cybersecurity, it has been estimated that about 10.5 trillion of global cybercrime has losses has been incurred by global companies by the year of 2025, and therefore security managers are in high demand. So there are about 3.5 millions of unfilled security cybersecurity jobs, and India has also observed a 41% cybersecurity role growth. And India's security leadership gap is very acute. This will lead to a huge demand in cybersecurity jobs, and only certified leader will get higher roles such as director, VP, or CISO roles. Uh, Also, the board now mandates the security credentials, and also security leadership pays a massive premium. We'll discuss this more in detail. So, what is CISM and who should pursue it? So CISM stands for Certified Information Security Manager, which is ISACA's a credential for senior security leadership. It stands for Certified Information Security Manager, and it mostly focuses on security management, strategy, governance, as well as incident response. It has 150 questions of about 4 hours, and it has about 450 to 800 pass scores. In order to be eligible for this certification, you need 5 hours of training in information sector as well as in two plus CISM domains. It is renewed every 3 years, and you need to have 120 CPs in total. So, who should pursue a CISM? People who want to move from technical security into management leadership, such as security analysts, IT managers, and tech leads, risk and GRC professional, as well as compliance officers and aspiring CISOs. So let's see some of the job roles that CISM unlocks and what are the industries that hire this role. So CISO or of Information Security, Security Director, Information Security Manager, GRC Lead, who's more security focused, Security Consultant, as well as Virtual CISO, which is VCISO. This will all land you very lucrative roles, as you can see. Now, the Big Four consulting or hires CISM roles, as well as banking and BFSI sectors, IT and tech MNCs, as well as government and defense and healthcare and pharma. So let's see the job demand of CISM. So these are the job demand CISM demand bars. An information security manager will get a salary of about 25 to 45 lakhs per annum. A CISO will get a salary of about 50 to 80 lakhs per annum. A security architect will get a salary of about 28 to 50 lakhs per annum. A GRC and security lead will get a salary of about 22 to 42 lakhs per annum. A security consultant will get a salary of about 22 to 50 lakhs per annum. A global CISM salary benchmarks includes 115,000 to 165,000 for USA, and for UK it is about 76 to 106 lakhs per annum in rupee. In Singapore it is 65 to 87 lakhs per annum Indian rupees, and in UAE in Gulf countries it is 85 to 54 Indian rupees, and in Australia it is higher. It is 68 to 89 lakhs per annum. So, what is your career path and where CISM takes you? So, after you get CISM certified, in the first year, you will get an immediate salary jump of about 15 to 20%. and this INSEC will help you through this salary negotiation. Year 2 to 4, you will get promoted to an information security manager, and by 5 to 6, you will have become a security director. Year 8 to 12, you will become a VP security or a CISO. Or a CISO, you will enter this track basically and start earning about 50 to 72 lakhs per annum. And by years 12 plus, you will become a CISO or a group CISO, where you will start earning 65 to 80 lakhs per annum. So let's talk about the CISM salary benchmarking and for certified versus non-certified. So city-wise, you will get a salary. This is a city-wise division of people who get CISM certified jobs. So it is the highest in Bangalore, followed by Mumbai and Delhi, and then Hyderabad and Pune. So these are the five major cities in which you will get such kind of roles. Now we have certification versus non-certification. So with 5 to 7 years of experience without CISM certification, you will get only 14 to 22 lakhs, but with CISM, you will get 28 to 42. In 7 to 10 years of experience without a CISM, you will get only 20 to 30 lakhs. And with CISM, you will get 38 to 55. With 10 to 15 years of experience, you will get only 26 to 38 lakhs per annum with only experience. With CISM certification, you'll get 48 to 68 lakhs. With 15 plus years of experience, you will get only 32 to 48 lakhs without a CISM, but with a CISM certification, you will get 62 to 80 lakhs, which is almost double. So let's talk about promotion speed after certification and free consultation using INSEC. So a promotion speed after CISM will be, without CISM, it will be about 7 to 12 years to become an information security manager. But after CISM, it is 3 to 5 years. Same with security director. It is a difference of 7 to 8 years. Same with Big Four shortlisting, where you will be rarely shortlisted without a certification, but with a CISM certification, you will get priority candidature. You will be a priority candidate. Same with CISO track access. It will be very slow or mostly blocked, but with a CISM, you will have a clear pathway towards these higher roles. Also, with a CISM, you can easily review your salary every 12 months. So freelancing and consulting is also a way in which you can earn after this certification. So you can become a security consultant and earn about 15,000 to 40,000 per day. Also, you can become a monthly retainer or MSME, where you will earn about 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs per month. You can become a virtual CISO, where you can earn 3 lakhs to 8 lakhs per month. And you can also start UK or US based remote consulting, which a lot of people in India are doing nowadays, where you can learn about 600 to $1,200 per day. You can also become a CISM training delivery for corporate security teams, where also CISM holders are very much highly preferred, where this will earn you about 50 to 2 lakhs per lesson. So these are some of the myths and difficult reality checks. Okay. So basically, people believe that CISM is only for large enterprise companies, which is wrong because CISM is valuable for companies at any scale. Also, you need to have 10 plus years of experience. This is also wrong as CISM only mandates 5 years of information security experience. And there are also a lot of waivers available depending on the type of experience you have. Also, CISM is too technical and that you will need to be a hacker. This is also wrong as it is more of a management sort of a certification. It doesn't cover IT, it covers mostly strategy, leadership, as well as governance. For if Technical certification could be CEF, that includes offensive security and pen testing, not CISM. So there is another fourth myth is that non-technical professionals cannot pass CISM. This is also wrong as it includes many things like audit, compliance, finance, and risk professionals. And these people also pass CISM regularly, and INSEC makes sure that they cover all of your weak points and it is not difficult. Fifth is that CISM is hard to pass and it takes a long time and years of preparation to pass, which is wrong because INSEC has a very nice 90-day structured program according to your working schedule and a 90% plus first attempt pass rate. It is very achievable with the right guidance. So, is CISM hard and is CISM okay for non technical professionals? So, let's see. A global first rate pass rate is 50%, which is very low. So you might think that it is hard, but with structured mentorship, it is 88% plus. At INSEC, our pass rate for our students that have been training under INSEC is 90% plus, and also the CISM for non-technical professionals is also a very much possible route. For this, you can start with a CISA as well as a CISM degree. This dual CISAC credential opens up a CISO senior pipeline. Also, you can become a compliance professional or you can become a risk manager by having a CRISC as well as a CISM certification. You can also go into finance and internal audit. So there are plenty of options open for you even if you come from a non-technical background. So let's see in six pay after passing model. So first, in this, you do not have to pay. So basically, you enroll for free, and the moment you join, you get full access to all the materials that INSEC has. This includes mocks, study material, and other such things. And you will also get one-to-one mentorship since day one. So you will get personalized one-to-one mentorship from our industry veterans like Sai Shetty and BBS Reddy, and they will make sure that it goes according to your pace and your schedule. Third is that INSEC will make sure that they apply for your ISACA application form, and therefore you will not have to worry about the credentials, and you don't have to worry about messing up your form. So you won't have any paperwork confusion. Also, we have, as we have already discussed, 1,000 plus questions and full length mocks with analytics as well as a mentor review after every mock exam that you give. Fifth step is that you will be able to pass CISM with INSEC structured first attempt model. And only after you've gotten your certification will INSEC ask you for your training certificate, training cost or training fee, and therefore it is zero risk and very safe. Now let's see some of the real INSEC student success stories and how they upgraded their careers using INSEC's certification training models. Now, let's meet our INSEC mentors and what course they will provide. So, Mr. Sai Shetty is responsible for CISA, CRISC, as well as PMP certification courses. They have, this is all of their credentials as well as their experience. Mr. BBS Reddy will mentor you on CISA, PMP, as well as CISSP. Our course provides you live one-to-one mentor sessions, 1,000 plus CISM mock questions, WhatsApp mentor support, as well as salary negotiation coachings. It also gives you library recordings, full-length mock exams, ISAC application help, as well as we have a very nice placement network, which will allow you to sit for very big companies. So, what are you waiting for? Let's start your CISM journey now. If So, what are you waiting for? You can start your INSEC journey and start your CISM certification journey today with zero upfront cost and therefore zero risk. You will get free counseling on this number if you want to start your INSEC journey now and more details on our website. I hope this presentation was informative for you. Thank you.